Welcome back. I'm Bernard Ma, author of over 20 best-selling books, including Generative AI in Practice. If you heard the buzz around generative AI, like ChatGPT, and felt a mix of excitement and skepticism, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the 5 most common misconceptions about generative AI and how to separate fact from fiction. First up, generative AI is intelligent. Well, sort of. It's impressive in how it handles language and stores information, but does it actually think like us? No, it doesn't. It doesn't possess reasoning, emotional intelligence, or true creativity capabilities. It's a sophisticated tool that follows programmed rules and learned patterns. Now, let's tackle a big fear. Generative AI will replace human creativity. While AI can write a story or sketch a drawing, it lacks the emotional depth and the original insight that human artists bring to their creations. If anything, AI's attempts often feel a bit bland. Rest assured, human creativity is here to stay. Moving on to our third misconception. Generative AI only creates words and pictures. This barely scratches the surface. Generative AI is also making strides in music, voice synthesis, and even medical innovations like new cancer treatments. It's more versatile than most people realize. Another myth that could use some clearing up is that generative AI doesn't need human input. Despite advances, generative AI isn't set to go it alone. It makes mistakes, sometimes hilarious, sometimes critical. Human oversight is crucial, not just for accuracy, but also for ethical and responsible use, especially in sensitive areas like healthcare and law. Lastly, generative AI is new. Actually, we've been on the path for it for decades. Remember chatbots in the 60s or AI-generated music in the 70s? What's changed recently is the tech's accessibility thanks to better hardware and smarter algorithms, making what was once a niche now mainstream. So, what's the takeaway? Generative AI is a powerful tool, but it's just that. A tool. It enhances our capabilities and offers new possibilities, but requires careful, thoughtful management. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to learn more about AI and how it is shaping our world, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video. I will see you in my next one.